Hello and welcome to All Creator Tools. I am your host Colsey, and today we're going to be taking a look at 7TV. Here we are on 7TV. 7TV is an emote platform for all. So 7TV is kind of a way for you to have even more emotes than your standard streaming platform would allow. This works on Twitch and on Kick. Doesn't currently work on YouTube, which is a shame, but we will still go through and I'll take a look at it and we'll show you how it works. That is what we do here at All Creator Tools. What we can do here is we can add a whole bunch more emotes to your channel, and it also allows you to just use a whole bunch more emotes which have been submitted by users and by 7TV themselves, and you can use them across all channels. We'll have a look here. We'll go into the emote tab. So here you can see an absolute plethora of emotes that are available here. These are all emotes that you can use, and you can put them in your own collection, which can be specifically emotes that you want to use on your channel, extra emotes for your channel. So if we go over to my profile and have a look here, you can see that I have created an emote set called Test. Now, I have created this as a test. That's correct. I've picked a few emotes and I have added them here into my collection, and then I have added the collection. If you go here and you say assign to channel, and I've assigned it to my channel, and I will save changes. Now you'll see there the capacity for emotes for collections is 1,000. That's a fair amount of emotes. I'm sure you can agree. So what you'll need to do now to have access to these is there is a browser install that you can use. I have installed this on Chrome. If we go over to here, you can see that 7TV have this browser add-on, which basically means that when you're in a Twitch chat or a Kick chat, you will be able to see this as an option for posting your emotes, for being able to put emotes in the chat. And as a creator, for me, so that you're actually able to see the emotes, otherwise you'll just be able to see the name, like the text that the emote is assigned to, which then doesn't make much sense if you just see it in chat. But if you have this enabled, you'll be able to see the emotes themselves and they will come up in chat. I've gone over to my dashboard on Twitch just to make it easy for me to show you, and you'll see here, if we go down to my chat is over here, go down right to the bottom here, you'll see the little 7TV symbol. Now if we click this, you have the global emotes, but also you'll see my little collection, which is called Test. So these are the emotes which I have assigned to my collection, and then I have assigned to my channel. So these are sort of my channel emotes that I have added. Now, again, we just click them and it'll put it there in the chat, right? So it says chip. Now, clearly, if you didn't have the browser add-on and you didn't use 7TV, then this would just appear as the word chip. But I do have the browser, so when you post it, you can actually see that the emote actually works. It's a really good way to expand your emotes. You can add your own emotes. So maybe if you just don't have the amount of emote slots that you want, this is a way that you can add more emotes to your channel without having to have more slots. Super easy, super simple, just works. This is how you assign emotes. Very simple, very easy. I'm sure you'd pick it up, but I'll show you just in case. So we'll go to the pet the mods. We'll add that one. It's always nice to pet your mods. So we'll go to that and we'll click use emote. And we can you can change the custom name, so you can call it Pet the Mods. That is the name that it has, but you can also change that if you'd like. Add it here like this, and it's done. Easy peasy. If I just go straight back to here, you'll see that emote added, Pet the Mods. So if I go down here, click this, it's already there, and I can just click Pet the Mods, press enter, and it's in the chat. Easy as that. Simple way to add emotes, and there is just an absolute plethora of emotes. As you can see, there's literally 100 pages. We can get all the way to the end. There are so many. So if you wanted to upload your own emote, we'll try doing that. So we'll add an emote. These are the accepted formats that you can use. You'll see here. Let's just use this little cat paws gif that I have. So we'll do that and we'll call it cat snowflakes. Done. Easy. Submitted. Now, processing may take some time. I kind of tried this earlier and it got a little bit stuck on here and I never actually got my emote through. So maybe that's just a little bug in the system, but hopefully they'll get to that. But that's how easy it is. And then obviously once it's processed, you will upload it and done. Done. Easy peasy. Makes sense. So let's look at the subscribe. You can subscribe to 7TV and that will give you a few things. It will give you subscriber badge, name tag paints, which you can customize in your profile. Zero width emotes, personal emotes, and emote upload priority. It's a nice thing to do to support a platform if you are enjoying it, but like I said, you don't have to do that. That is not something that you have to do necessarily. You can just enjoy it for absolutely free and enjoy a ton more emotes. I hope this has been useful to you guys. Very simple to use, very easy to set up, and like I said, it does work on Kick and it does work on Twitch, so the options are there. Unfortunately, it doesn't work on YouTube at the minute. Maybe that's something they'll bring in future. I think it's a really cool little tool to be able to use, to be able to have a really good wide range of emotes for your viewers to use, which is really cool. The more emotes for your viewers to use, the better in my opinion. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please remember to subscribe to us at All Creator Tools. We will be bringing you more tools in future, so please do subscribe to get notified of those videos that will be coming out, and please do remember to always have fun creating.